Construction of perpendicular bisector of line segment. A perpendicular bisector of a line segment intersects it at right angles and divides it into two equal halves. Draw a line segment XY. Measure on the compass a radius more than half the length of XY. Point X as the center. Draw an arc above and below the line segment. With point Y as the center, draw another arc above and below the line segment. Mark the points of intersections of arcs as A and B. Measure OX and OY with the divider. OX is equal to OY. Measure angles XOB and YOB. Angle XOB is equal to angle YOB is equal to 90 degrees.
Next we are moving to exercise 14.5. First question. Draw AB of length 7.3 cm and find its axis of symmetry. Yes, axis of symmetry means the line segment which cut the line segment into two equal halves, similar as a perpendicular bisector. Okay, here steps of construction is there. Step 1. Draw a line segment AB of length 7.3 cm. First you draw the line segment, then with the A as center using compasses draw two arcs above and below the line segment AB. Okay, the radius of arcs should be more than half the length of line segment AB. Step 3. With the same radius and with the B as center, draw two arcs which cut the previous arcs at C and D, above and below. Okay, join CD. Step 4. Join CD. Therefore, CD is the perpendicular bisector of AB. Then you have to draw the figure. This is the line segment AB of length 7.3 cm. First you draw the line segment AB of length 7.3 cm using ruler. Then take the compass with the A as center using compasses. Draw two arcs above and below the line segment AB. The radius of arcs should be more than half the length of AB. So you have to take that's the measurement which is more than half the length of AB. Okay, more than half the length of AB. So place the point of the compass in the one end and take the measurement. It's more than half. Okay, more than half on your compass. Then draw two arcs above and below the line segment AB. Here one arc and above, below. Okay, another arc. Below another arc. Okay. Then with the same radius, place the compass needle at B. Draw another two arcs. Okay, with the same radius which cut each other at previous arcs. Okay, here and here. Okay, and name these two intersection as C and D. Here C, here D. Okay, then join C and D using the scale ruler. Okay, so you have to check this line is passing through the midpoint of a line segment. Okay, this line is passing through the midpoint of the line segment AB, and this is the here angle formed is 90 degrees. So CD is perpendicular to AB. CD is the perpendicular bisector of AB. So perpendicular line which passes through the midpoint of the line segment is called as perpendicular bisector. Hope all of you understood. Second question. Draw a line segment of length 12.8 cm. Using compasses, divide it into 4 equal parts. Verify by actual measurement. First you have to draw the line segment of length 12.8 cm. Line segment AB 12.8 cm. Draw the compass and place the needle at the first point and take more than half on your compass. Draw an arc above and below the line segment. Okay, above and below the line segment. draw the arc above and below the line segment. Okay, here first one and here second one. Then with the same radius, place the compass at another end, next end, and draw an arc which cut each other at its previous arc. Okay, two arcs. Draw the two arcs cutting each other. Cut each other at previous arcs. Then join that two lines, two points of intersection. So this is the first two halves, and then you have to divide this to another half, this to another half. That's the 4 equal parts. Okay, for that you have to draw the perpendicular bisector for first half. Okay, first half. Here place the compass needle at A, then take more than half. Take more than half on your compass, then draw two arcs. Okay, above and below the line. Two arcs above and below the line. Okay. Then next, place the compass needle at next end. Draw another arc. Okay. Draw another arc. Then join that point of intersection using scale. Okay. Then another 1, 2. Then next two halves drawn in this side. Okay. Take the compass needle. Place the compass needle at one end and take more than half. Okay, draw an arc above and below. Okay, with another end, draw other two arcs. Okay, one here and one here. Okay. Then join that point of intersection. Point of intersection using ruler. Okay, this is 1, 2, 3, 4 equal parts. Then verify using the scale. Okay. The next third question. Draw a circle with the center C and a radius 3.4 centimeter. Draw any chord AB, construct the perpendicular bisector of AB and examine if it passes through center. Okay. First you have to draw the circle with the center C. Okay. First mark the center C. Then take is 3.4 on your compass. Radius 3.4 on your compass. Place the compass needle at the center C and draw the arc. Okay. Draw the circle. Center and draw the circle. Draw the circle. Then draw a chord AB. Okay. Draw any chord AB. Chord which passes through any 2 points on the circle. Line segment joining any 2 points on the circle is called chord. Here chord AB. This is the chord AB. Then construct a perpendicular bisector for this chord. Okay. Here is using compass. Take more than half radius on the compass. Okay, more than half. Then draw two arcs above and below. Okay. Above and below the line segment. Okay. Then join that two intersections. Okay, points of intersection using ruler. Okay, so this is the perpendicular bisector for the chord AB, and examine if it passes through C. Yes, here this perpendicular bisector is passes through center C. Hope all of you understood. Next, question number 4. Draw a circle of radius 4 cm. Draw any two of its chords. Construct the perpendicular bisectors of these chords. Where do they meet? So, you have to first draw a circle of radius 4 cm. Mark the center O. Then take a compass. Take a radius 4 cm on your compass. Okay, 4 cm. 4 cm on your compass. Then draw the circle. Draw two chords AB and CD on the circle. Okay. Here AB, here CD. Okay. AB and CD on your circle. Draw two chords AB and CD. Then construct a perpendicular bisector for these two chords. Here place the compass needle at B. Take more than half on your compass. Let's draw two arcs above and below the line segment. Okay. Above and below the line segment. Then join the point of intersection. Join the point of intersection. Okay, point of intersection. Then take the compass. Place the compass needle at D. Take more than half. Draw two arcs. Okay. Next, place it at C. Another two arcs. Here one and here two. Then join that point of intersection. Here one, here two. Then join the points using ruler. So these two perpendicular bisectors meet at the center. So bisector of these chords, where do they meet? They meet at the center. Okay. They meet at the center O. Hope all of you understood how to draw the perpendicular bisector. Next question. Draw the perpendicular bisector of XY whose length is 10.3 cm. As first you have to draw the line segment XY equals its length of line segment is 10.3 cm. Okay, then first question, take any point P on the bisector drawn. Okay, on that bisector you have to take one point P. Examine whether Px equals Py. Okay. B question, if M is the midpoint of XY, what can you say about the lengths of MX and MY? So you have to draw the line segment of length 10.3 cm and name it as XY. Okay. This is the line segment XY of length 10.3 cm. Okay. Line segment XY of length 10.3 cm. Here, yes, you have to first draw the perpendicular bisector. All of you know how to construct the perpendicular bisector. Okay. Here is take more than half. Place the compass needle at one end and take is more than half radius. More than half radius on your compass. draw two arcs is above and below the line on two ends. Okay, two ends here and here. Okay, then join the points of intersection. Okay, using a ruler, join the points of intersection. Join the point of intersection using a ruler. Okay. Then next, take any point P on the bisector drawn. Examine whether Px equals Py. Next a question. Take a point P on the bisector. Okay. Here mark here P. Then you have to measure the distance Px and Py. Okay. Measure the distance Px is equal to Px equal to 7 centimeter. Okay. 7 centimeter. Then measure the distance Py. Py is also 7 centimeter. So a question is examine whether Px equals Py. Yes, here Px and Py have same measures, both are 7 centimeter. So when a question, answer is Px equals Py. Examine whether Px equals Py. Then take a point M. Okay. If M is the midpoint, M is the midpoint of the line segment XY, what can you say about the lengths MX and MY? Okay. M is the midpoint, then these two lengths are equal. Okay. So MX equals MY. Okay.